What's up everybody, Honda Riding here. Welcome back to another video. And today we're just about to go ice fishing. You can see in the back. I'm in the back garage. Yeah? I'm doing a vlog. So I'm back now and I kind of want to show you my setup. It's different. So we're going ice fishing. Probably going to do a catch and cook. So we have the all beloved riding lawnmower that everyone loves, and then we keep going. We have a trailer. Yeah. So as you guys can see, we have these are my gloves. One chair. Got our cooler. Chest mount GoPro. Got some fishy crackers, pop, hot chocolate, all that kind of stuff. Sure. Got my rod. I'm gonna try and use that. I don't know if I can though because the string's all messed up. I have to fix that down there. Got some spare gas for the lawnmower, and then we got another chair for my brother so we can both sit down and fish. We are going with Anthony Salo, also known as the Backyard Hunter. So yeah, cruising down our neighborhood like this. Yep. You boys ready? Okay guys, so I'm back now and sunshine in my eyes. But we ran into like a couple of issues, I'd say. My riding lawnmower. So first we went to go check the oil before we left and oil's green. So we have to do an oil change, put some new oil in, start heading down the trail. We're about halfway down the trail, about to go ice fishing, almost there. Anthony S, another riding lawnmower, as you can see in the back there, breaks down. So right now, they went back to go get the Polaris 600, whatever, two-stroke race snowmobile to bring back the old broken riding lawnmower. And I got stuck here in the bush with nothing to do. So I'm here with my riding lawnmower, just sitting out here in a chair. I guess I could just show you some stuff we have here. One sec. Like you guys know, Anthony has loaded his tackle box in here. Just got the chairs, just got my riding lawnmower, just an oil change, MTD Gold, nice riding lawnmower. Trailer. That would be a good thumbnail for a video right there. Probably gonna be camping. I'm camping in the bush right now by myself. Nothing I can really do. I'm just, like I just said, camping. The Yardman it's pretty nice riding lawnmower. Just broke down, but other than that, it's pretty nice. Somewhere in here, we believe it's the belt. For that right there, that's like jumping. So, yep. We got this on the back, kind of like the toboggan sled. I was riding in there until we broke down.
Jealous, bud? What's up? Fighting, bud?
Stone, 2 damn phones, Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam, but figured I should stick to dro. Backwoods overload, don't like to smoke.